I developed an algorithm for solving Rubik's Cube when I was 17 years old. My key insight in the mathematical process of developing this algorithm is the topic of this video. The algorithm I use solves Rubik's Cube in 4 stages. Stage A, Stage B, Stage C, and Stage D. For the purpose of this discussion, we need to consider only Stage A and Stage B. Stage A. Stage A consists of getting into position and with the correct orientations, the 4 corner cubelets of any one face. In the solve stage A that I am displaying on the screen, the color chosen, the face chosen is the green color, because the center cubelet here is colored green. If you look at the video, you will see these 4 cornered cubelets. One of the colors of all of them is green, are in the correct position. This cubelet, for example, has this position only. Red, yellow, and green. It has only this position in a solved Rubik's Cube. Which one was I showing? Yes, the red, yellow, and green one. Furthermore, the orientation of this cubelet is correct. The yellow matches the yellow center cubelet of this side. The red matches the red of the center cubelet, and the green matches the green of the green center cubelet. This is the solve stage A. We'll go quickly from here to stage B. Right, stage B. I have here a Rubik's Cube with the 8 corner cubelets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 8 corner cubelets are in their correct positions and with the right orientations as well. This is the solve stage B. We discussed the solve stage A, or what stage A consists of, in the algorithm for solving Rubik's Cube, in an algorithm anyway. And also, we now have a Rubik's Cube with the solve stage B. Viewing of this video till now by any viewer will make it clear to the person what stage A and stage B means in the context of developing algorithm for solving Rubik's Cube. I am now going to discuss what I call the key insight into developing an algorithm for solving Rubik's Cube. This is a Rubik's Cube with stage B, stage A, and stage B both solved. Now I am going to regard solving of stage A as easy. And what I'm going to do is I am going to dislodge this corner cubelet from its correct position and orientation to another place like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have brought this corner cubelet from here to here in 4 moves. Now I am going to solve this problem in stage A using 3 twists. 1, 2, 3. Stage A is solved by this sequence of 7 twists. 4 plus 3. Something has happened in stage B. Let's see what that is. Here it is. This corner cubelet is in its position and with the correct orientation. This corner cubelet has got twisted in itself. Let's leave these two alone for now. What is the solution to solving this situation in stage B? Why? The reverse of the 7 moves that I just did. That is, get the cubelet down here, this cubelet here, in 3 moves, and take it back up in 4 moves. These are phrases that I use for myself. There you are. Stage B, in fact, is completely solved. Okay. This is the key insight. We'll discuss this more in some other video.